Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add a tire to your Patreon page. Now if you want to add a tire to your Patreon page but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now adding a tire on the Patreon page is a very basic step and a very easy step. You just need to make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the very basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to install the Patreon app from App Store or Play Store on your device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from the App Store or Play Store, and after that you just need to open the Patreon app. So this is the homepage of the Patreon, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the very center of the screen, and you will see the option of your profile icon at the very top right. So from here you need to click on the option of profile icon at the very top right, and adding a tire is only possible for the creator. So if you are a creator, you just need to select the creator page from the menu, and you need to scroll down until you see the option of tire section. So this is just a normal profile, so you won't be able to see the tire section, and if you are a creator then you need to click on the option of tire section, and there you'll see the option of plus add or add tire. So if you see the option of plus add tire, you need to fill in the required details including the name, price, description and any other benefits for the tire. So you need to click on the option of save to create the tire, and you'll be able to add the tire on the Patreon page. So that's it. That's how you can add the tire and Patreon page. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.